Okay, time for an unboxing. I have been very eagerly awaiting for this package to arrive, and it's finally here, and it's flat, and you guys probably already know what it is because of the subject. Alright, I can't wait to see what these look like. Oh, cardboard box, just what I wanted. Okay, so I got these from Jeep Junk on Etsy. Pretty cool sticker and business card. Oh my. Okay, so we have here a pair of Scary Fear taillight covers. These were custom made for me using my own art. Wow. And I think they're made of some kind of metal. It's pretty cool. They're not plastic like I thought they would be. Uh-oh, I wonder why there's a break there, but you won't notice that on the road. This one doesn't have it, but I can see it's thinner there. I wonder if that's a design flaw in the art. Oh, it's pretty cool though. It bugs me a little bit, but... Now, the only thing that I didn't like, but I went ahead and I approved it when they sent me the art back, was that his eyelids are see-through. This top part here should be dark, but there was no way that this could be cut so that you could see the shape of his eyes, so they had to be left open this way. Only way it could work, but it looks awesome, looks just like my SIG, and yeah, let's go install these. This is great. So to install these is pretty easy. You just take out the 4 screws from the taillight. Be sure to keep them in order because it does matter which ones go where. The 2 vertical outer ones go together and the 2 inner ones go together. Now this turned out so nice. I'm really proud that I can have so much of my art turned into a physical product. My characters. Alright, then you just put the screws back in. And I did this with a hand screwdriver, though it takes a lot longer. You don't want to screw it in too tight because you don't want to crack the lights or just plastic. Now I'm doing it again on the passenger side. Alright, and that's a pretty simple install, so now I'll leave you guys with how they look.